Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna create a smoky eye with a high ponytail look. So let's get started without wasting any time. Moisturize your face pretty well before you're using your prep and primer, and put some loose powder on. Once loose powder is done, you have to use a setting spray to set it down, and then foundation on top of it. You will see this mask give you crease proof all day. Really good. If you're going for any function, please try this way. Alright, once this done, then we're gonna go for eyes. I highlight under my eyebrows already, so let's get started with the color. And this is a reddish color. Any pinkish reddish tones you can use for your crease, and slowly build up the color for your smoky eyes. So I am starting with light brown, sweeping towards my inner corners from the outer, and then a darker shade than my light brown, and then again a dark brown, and then black. So you can see this is really good. You slowly building up, and there is no crease, so you can blend it really well as well. Once this done, put some color underneath your eyes, around your waterline, under the waterline, and eyeliner, a winged eyeliner. Pencil is really good if you are a beginner. You have more control over it. And mascara and color. Highlighting inner corner of your eyes is really important as well, so it just gives more beautiful look. Starting your mascara from the top, it gives a nice build up, and gives the illusion of longer lashes as well. Contouring, contour all the areas before blending in, and put some blusher. I'm using a peachy pinkish tone. Highlighting and blend it really well together. Here you go. You can use your fingers as well if you're more comfortable with them. Sometimes I use them. And lipstick, I mixed two colors, Flat and Fabulous with Mehar, and they look really great together. I love the color combination. My hairs, I'm going to do some curls before I do my ponytail, so they look I need volume on my pony as well. So with the GHD, if you guys need a tutorial on my curls, I can make slow version of it and can show you how to hold your GHD. Make a ponytail, leave some hair around the sides and just put in the middle, and cover your ponytail with the hair, pin it up, and if you need teasing, you can tease your pony to give more volume. Put some earrings and your favorite dress, and you're ready to rock on the restart. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share my channel, and hope you enjoy your Easter. Thank you. Happy Easter. Bye.